Hey guys, Vintage Harbor Breeze, etc. Back with another ceiling fan video. Let me just go over this way so I don't reveal one of the specials coming up. But anyways, here's a Hampton Bay. I think it's Spring Valley. I don't remember. I'll find out before I publish the video, so I'll just make whatever this is called the title. So anyways, brush nickel. It's got the globe light kit. It's got LED candelabras in it. Just got this from Habitat. One of the only new things there. Start it up. Here's the light. Now, for some reason, the fan pull chain needs a really good pull to retract, or, you know, whatever you want to call it. See, that didn't work. Let's see if that worked. Nope, too fast. So this is low. It's a nice fan. I like it. This would definitely look good in a modern day kitchen. And I don't know if they still make these or not, but it's got the newer Hampton Bay canopy with the one slot hole, and then the other one's just a regular hole to screw it up there. Let's make sure it turned off. Nope. Yeah, it did. That's hot. Okay. That is still not medium. There we go. Finally. Took us a while. But, if I do ever move, this will be installed on a high ceiling, obviously, because of the down rod. That, or I'll flush mount it. But, here's medium, the light. Alright, here's high. I think I'm just gonna shut it off by my outlet remote so I don't have to deal with trying to get it to off. But this hopefully will be on a speed control wherever we put it, if we move. Now I gotta kind of angle this over here because I don't want to give away the special. Here it is. It's wobbling like every other Hampton Bay would, but it's blowing good air. But yeah, that's really all I have to say about this. I will be uploading another video here in a while, so well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for the car noise, but I will see you guys in the next one. Vintage Harbor Breeze, etc. out. Goodbye.